Sabi pa dito, this endorsement is not a verdict of guilt, nor it is driven by political interest. Rather, it is a recognition of the constitutional process that ensures all public officials are afforded the opportunity to respond to the allegations in fair and impartial forum. By allowing the impeachment process to proceed, the Vice President is given the platform to present her defense, refute accusation, and clear her name before the Senate sitting as the impeachment court. Another panggagago nitong mga to, impeachment process is regarded as a political exercise. If you want a fair and impartial venue, you should have gone to proper authority. For example, kung COA ang issue ninyo, dapat you let COA to do its thing. In fact, meron rin kaso si Inday sa Supreme Court about this specific issue. Handun yung impartial court. Ang impeachment court is never a impartial court. It is always biased. It is always politically driven. Huwag naman kayo magtanga-tangahan dyan kayong tatlong itlog na congressman ng Misamis Oriental. Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Pinagluloko niyo yung mga representation ninyo eh.